guys, and welcome back to another super duper belated Target Beauty Box unboxing. We are at the start of May. This is from January. We are just now opening it. This is the out with the old, in with the new box, I think. Or it may just be the regular January box. I feel like they both had names this time, so... Anyway, I really love the watercolor constellations theme that they've got going on here, the galaxies. Anytime I've ever tried to paint anything like that, it never turns out, and oh hey, they used it on my birthday month, so I like that. Anyway, we're gonna dive right in here. So we got our little card, out with the old, in with the new. Ooh, the box smells really good, by the way. I don't even know what's in there yet, and it smells real good. Out with the old, in with the new. Ditch the old school resolutions like losing the last 10 pounds. Instead, make 2020 the year you elevate your beauty game. Whether you want to upgrade your skincare routine, show your hair some extra TLC, or simply pamper yourself, these hero products have got you covered. And then it's got the usual rigmarole of try them out if you love them, blah, 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 blah. So, we don't need that. So, the tissue paper in this one is like a dark navy blue. It's almost black. Ooh. Oh, we got big old bottles in this one. Oh, we have a lot of good stuff in here. Holy shit. I forgot when I ordered this. That's what's in here. Ooh, hello. Oh, but I am sad seeing what the main ingredient is on the biggest things in here. Damn it. Coconut milk. I can't use those. But, yeah, these both have coconut milk in them. But that would be what it smelled so good. Damn it, now I'm sad. These are by Hair Food. It's coconut milk and chai spice, nourishing shampoo and conditioner. They're sulfate-free, dye-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. Let's see here. Infused with coconut and essences of chai spice, this collection is crafted to nourish for soft, touchable hair. Apply to clean, damp hair and comb through, rinse thoroughly. Our collections are safe on and designed to protect color-treated hair. Well, mine's not color-treated anyway, so maybe I can give these to my mom. Because, yeah, these definitely have coconut fruit extract in them. Yeah, I can't use that. Oh, well. Makes me sad, but somebody will get to enjoy them. I'll read the little thingy on the card, though. Hair Food Coconut and Chai Spice Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Sulfate-free shampoo recipe nourishes hair and adds volume, leaving strands bouncy, luscious, and smelling delicious, too. And that was for the shampoo, and then the conditioner. Rich blend of coconut milk and aromatic chai spice lavishes hair with moisture so strands look luxurious and full of life. All sounds good. Wish I could use it. Wish Target would stop going so hard and heavy with all of the coconut stuff that I can't use. Like, their entire advent calendar, all but like 3 things in it, were all coconut shit, so I couldn't even buy that. Okay, I'll just take that sticker off so when I give it to her, I can just hand it straight to her. Next thing in here. This, it has a $3 coupon inside. An Olay Regenerist Whip. Light as air finish, active moisturizer, fragrance-free. Package includes 1 Regenerist Whip fragrance-free mini jar with a coupon. Powerful wrinkle results without heaviness. That would be nice for these bad boys right here. Let's see, what does it say? Innovative Active Rush technology features a unique 3-dimensional structure that improves elasticity and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles so skin looks firmer and lifted. Let's see how big it is. Probably not real big. It's oil-free, non-greasy, will not clog pores, which is fantastic because everything clogs mine. Smooth evenly over cleansed face and neck morning and night. It's just a little bitty baby one. Would it be okay if I just used it on the wrinkles? Because that's not going to go real far. That'd be good for, like, a couple of uses. Because it's not even, like, the entire height of it. Look how far it goes. So, we've got, like... Well, I mean, I suppose there's a bit more in there than I thought, but it's still not very much. But, anywho, there's that. Let me respond to this text real quickie. I kept it right here so I can. Okay, so let's put, whoops, wrong box. And the coupon. I think that's the coupon. Is it still good? Oh, hey, this one actually is. This one's good till June, so I have like, it's till the end of June, so I actually have almost 2 months to use this if I'm going to use it. I should find out how much this stuff costs, because if it's pricey, obviously that won't be happening, but it is still a nice thought. So, got that. Let me see what all they're sending real quick, and I'll finish this. Okay, so next thing in here is the other Olay thing. So this is the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer, which is also in an itty-bitty little thingy. Let's see here. Olay's Vitamin B3 plus Retinoid Complex, non-greasy, approved for daily use without the trade-off. Use in the evening, massage cream evenly over neck and face. Proprietary blend of vitamin B3 and retinol visibly improves fine lines and wrinkles overnight, so you'll wake up to smoother, brighter, younger looking skin. Boy, wouldn't that be nice. I'm sure it's the same size as the other, but let's open it up anyway, just for shits and giggles. Yep, it is, but this one's blue instead of red. Well, actually it's purple, really. But yeah, itty bitty little thing. And another coupon for $3 off, so there be that. Alright, back down in the box with you. Okay. The next thing in here, I'm kind of perplexed, is in here, because in December, correct me if I'm freaking wrong, didn't they also send a full-ass size tin of this in that, in like the curly girl one? Do I have it nearby? I feel like I do somewhere? Do I? Don't I? Maybe I don't. Okay. Then I guess I can't double check that one. Unless that's it. Wait. No, it had the swirlies on it, right? I'm like, I have some of the boxes over here, but not all of them. So I'm like, where did that one go? I'm not really sure. Hold on, let me dig around. Found it, and yeah, it was not my imagination. They sent like this whole ass thing of the same thing that we have a coupon for 1 month earlier. I'm very, 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 very confused right now. I hope I like it, because I have a whole lot of it here. But, my goodness. That's a thing. Let's just put the big one back in the box it came from. That lid is not really back on. I'll deal with it later. Oh my god. Yeah, it does not want to reclose. But yeah, so this is the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco Perfect Edges. So I'll just read the little blurb, because we already talked about this in the December one. There's no point in really going over it twice. Cream of Nature Perfect Hold with Exotic Shine. Infused with argan oil, and let's try that again. Infused with argan oil, controls and holds down edges while moisturizing and adding exotic shine, creating sleek, smooth styles. So there's that. And then there are Please Be things I can use. Oh my god, I got face masks! Holy shit. Okay. Right now, that is honestly fantastic. Let's see here. These are... Wait a minute. Am I missing a thing? Oh no, it's just really little in the box. Okay, because I was like, wait. K-Bella Limited Edition Watermelon Peel-Off Mask and Cooling Avocado Clay Mask Duo. Oh, they're limited edition. Fancy, fancy. Refreshing watermelon adds a boost of hydration so your complexion looks brighter and blemish-free, while avocado oil plus conditioning shea and coconut butter leave skin soft and moisturized. Hint, put masks in the fridge before applying for an extra cooling treat. No thank you, I will skip that step, because it's too cold when I do that. And then it bothers me. So, they're really cute. I should check the website and see if they're still selling those, because I would like more of the watermelon one. Yeah, for the watermelon one, it says, for firmer, revitalized skin, the K-Bella Relieving Watermelon Peel-Off Mask helps to firm and plump up tired and dull-looking skin. Watermelon's high water content helps to create your... Try again. Watermelon's high water content helps to hydrate your skin, resulting in a radiant and glowing complexion. And then the other one, was it avocado? Yeah, the avocado one. A cooling, soothing facial. This K-Bella cooling avocado clay mask is enriched with avocado oil, which helps to nourish and moisturize the skin. Containing shea and cocoa butter, the mask helps smooth and condition the skin. So basically, more or less the same thing. That's okay, because I wanted face masks, and I got some, so yay. Alrighty, so the little bitty thing that I thought wasn't in here, this is why I thought it's like teeny tiny. This is by Number 7 Laboratories Firming Booster Serum. It is like a really tiny, tiny little thing of it. Anyways, clinically proven booster serum is specially designed to target areas of the face most prone to loss of firmness. In just 1 week, skin looks toned and tighter. I suppose if I had enough of it to really find this out with, I'd be using it under here to let's tighten up this loose mess here, but oh well. Oh well. I can try out what I got. And then finally, because they give these out so often, we have toothpaste, which is always helpful. I don't mind it. Let's see here. Crest 3D White Radiant Mint. Okay. 3D White Fluoride Toothpaste removes up to 80% of surface stains, strengthens tooth enamel, and helps protect against cavities so you can say hello to a brighter, whiter smile. Trick for fresher breath, be sure to brush your tongue too. So these would be a whole hell of a lot better if, like, the main selling point here was stuff I could use. But, I mean, it was $7, so even putting those aside, we still have these two thingies here. We've got this guy, we've got that guy, we've got a toothpaste, we've got facey masks, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's still 7 things technically. Would I say each of these things is worth $1? Not necessarily, but that still adds up to 7, so I really can't be too upset about parting with these two that I cannot personally firsthand use. So anyways, that's it for this one. So you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye bye.